The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is an award-winning, classroom-friendly 3D printer designed for reliability, safety, and ease of use. Built with educators, students, and professionals in mind, this fully enclosed printer delivers consistent, high-quality prints while maintaining a user-friendly experience. Award-winning and education-focused design. Recognized with the PCMag 2018 Editor's Choice Award and partnered with Google for Education, the Dremel 3D45 stands out as a trusted solution for schools and learning environments. Its dependable performance and easy-to-use interface make it ideal for STEM education, prototyping, and creative projects. Heated glass build, plate and all-metal nozzle. The printer features a removable heated glass build plate that reaches up to 100 degrees C, improving first-layer adhesion and minimizing warping. Its durable all-metal 0.4 mm nozzle heats up to 280 degrees, allowing compatibility with materials like PLA and ABS. This combination ensures strong, detailed prints with professional-level quality. The printer supports Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and Mac OS X 10.9 and above. 5-inch full-color touchscreen. A bright 5-inch full-color touchscreen with intuitive icons makes setup and operation simple. Users can go from unboxing to their first print in less than 15 minutes, making it beginner-friendly while still powerful enough for advanced users. Fully enclosed build chamber for safety and print quality. The 3D45 features a sturdy, fully enclosed plastic design with a 6.7 x 10 x 6 build volume, providing better temperature stability and reducing the chances of warping. For safer indoor operation, it includes a built-in carbon filter and particulate filter that help reduce odors and airborne particles. The Dremel DigiLab 3D45 combines award-winning reliability, safety-focused engineering, and easy operation in one powerful machine. Whether used in classrooms, labs, or creative workspaces, it delivers consistent, high-quality 3D prints with confidence and convenience.